In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store locator to your Shopify website. Since this isn't available through Shopify itself, we do need to use an external widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free of charge and no credit card information is required. The first step is to go to Elf's site. I've added a link for this website in the top of the video description, so go ahead and click there and you should end up on this page you're seeing on my screen. From here, go up and click on widgets and then go over to tools right here, and all the way down at the bottom here you can see we have the store locator option, so go ahead and click right there. From here, click on the big pink button that says create widget for free. This takes you down to a template builder where you can start designing your widget to your liking. Go ahead and select the store locator option over here and then click continue with this template on the big green button down here. Now we need to go ahead and add the location. If you have multiple locations, you can import these from a CSV file, but you can also add them manually. In this case, I'm just going to opt for the manual option, so go ahead and click right here on add manually. Now you just need to write your business name and address. For this example, let's say we want to go with Tesco in Chester. Just go ahead and search and you'll be able to find your store through the address here. Let me just write it in. And then click search. And now you just need to go ahead and select the correct store. Let's say that this option right here is the correct store in my option or scenario. So go ahead and click on that. And now it's going to pull all the information from Google Maps. From here, you can go ahead and edit things like the location name. If the location name isn't quite right, like if it just says something slightly wrong, you can go ahead and rewrite it. This is basically the business name and it'll show alongside the location info over here, as you can see. So let's say it's Tesco Superstores. You can see it gets added right here. So just go ahead and alter that if you'd like to. You can also go over all the additional details down here and even add an email address if it's not automatically pulled. And you can also go ahead and add a new photo, for example. So this allows you to really customize the store locator widget for your website. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and click done up here in the top. Also, another thing, what you're seeing on this big screen here is basically like a live preview of what the store locator will look on your Shopify website. And you can even go ahead and interact with it if you'd like. So if you have multiple addresses or stores, you could, for example, go ahead and search here. You can also click away from it, zoom in and out, whatever you'd like to do. Now, over on the left-hand side over here on the directory, we can decide the left-hand side of the store locator widget here. So let's say you don't want a search bar. You could, for example, go ahead and toggle this option off like this. You can also toggle off the number of locations. You can see right now we have one location, so go ahead and do that right here, for example. And you can also choose a different card style. The card style is essentially this little section right here, so you can click on the arrow like this and choose whatever you prefer. You also have some additional settings down here, which I'm not going to cover because I want to make this a quick video, but you can go ahead and customize it further if you need to. Now, to change the colors and the look of the widget, click on style on the left hand side over here. Here you can adjust the background color, the text color, the accent color, and more. Just because I want to keep this tutorial short, I'm not going to cover all of the options here, but again, feel free to explore this section if you want to match your store's branding or similar. Lastly, there's also a settings options on the left hand side. This is where you can change things like the format and some other smaller details. Once you're done, go ahead and click on the green Add to Website for Free button right here. You'll be taken to a page where you need to log in or sign up to Elf's site if you don't already have an account, so go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page to what you're seeing right here. This is the exact same template builder, so if you don't need to alter anything else, just go ahead and click on the big green Publish button up here in the top right corner. So this is essentially the page where you need to choose our plan. So because this is completely free of charge, as I mentioned at the start of the video, go ahead and select the $0 a month plan over here on the left-hand side by clicking select. Once that's done, you should end up on a page that looks just like this. So go ahead and click on copy code right here. And now it's time to head to Shopify. Once you're on your Shopify website designer, go ahead and click on add section wherever you want to add it. I'm going to go ahead and do it in the mid section of the website under this. So I'm going to go ahead under the featured collection and click on add section right here. From there, go ahead and scroll down until you see custom liquid all the way at the bottom and click. From there, you're going to have a pop-up on the right hand side over here. Go ahead and just insert the code we just copied by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking on your mouse and clicking paste. From there, it should look something like this. So just go ahead and wait for a moment until it loads. And once it's loaded, it should look something like this on your Shopify store. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.